Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's your name and what's in here, man?
I got a David Graham. Oh, just out Sundays, like I said, it's just a little daily setup.
Okay.
Got 4 Def Bonce Arnold 8s and 4 6.5s, one in each door on a 2014.
Yep.
I got 2 Def Bonce SA3 15s.
Okay.
Dual ones, just in a prefab with a little DC out here 3.5. They're underpowered right now, but
yeah,
sounds pretty good.
All right. What is it wired to? You said?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. All right. What is a box tuned to?
31 hertz.
31 hertz.
31 hertz.
Okay. Nice. All right.
Oh.
You dynamited the whole floor.
Oh, the whole thing.
Wow.
I'm still in the process of putting it all back together.
Okay.
Another 3.5 on the way, and hopefully
really?
I'll make it up some.
So you're actually going to put another whole amp on this?
Yeah, I'm gonna strap them together, and I got another box.
Okay.
That box is only like 5 cubes. I need like 9.
Really? Oh, so it's got to be a bigger box?
Yeah, I got another box, so hopefully next time I'm out of the show or something, I have all that together.
Okay. Appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
I'm going to go check out on the side and go look at the amp.
Go ahead.
Thanks for showing me, man.
No.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.